that nervous. The only thing I guess I'm nervous about is that Stonehill isn't great about shoveling the sidewalks, so now that I know there's a storm, I'm probably going to hoard a bunch of food in my dorm room so I don't actually have to leave. But other than that, I'm not really that worried about it.
I'm too excited for it. I do like the snow occasionally. I like to ski, I like to snowboard, but I mean, too much snow is never really a good thing for me. Prepared for it at all, but I mean, I definitely will take the precautions when I'm driving, definitely, and you know, get all my warmer clothes out. Cool.
I heard something about it yesterday, but I don't know, it's New England, you never know, it might not even end up being that big. Probably more waiting it out. I don't think I'll really do much differently until then, and then by the time it comes around, I'll probably wish I did something with my car, but probably be okay.
Right. Here we are, about to venture outside into the aftermath of the blizzard for the first time.
Oh.
I'm just gonna get whatever the first thing is.
Well, you guys still don't? Does your help card work tickets?
Well, nothing was plowed, and it was really hard to get over here. There was like 2 feet of snow to walk in, and it was really windy. And then we got here and there was no food. But, I mean, it is what it is, I guess. Is that good?
I'm Shannon Brown. This is my first snowstorm. Yesterday was my first snow day. I walked from Flint to here. It fell a few times. It wasn't plowed. It's great.
Well, I went to go talk to those two in Boland, and they plowed the snow in the doorway, so hundreds of people who live in there can't get out, so that's a huge issue. And then also took me like a good 15 minutes to get to the calf, which is also another issue. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty. I think we're prepared, yeah. I was going to try to go to the gym today and get some shots up, but it doesn't look like that's going to be a possibility. But our game's definitely going to be tomorrow, and I think we're prepared for it, and I'm pretty pumped up that no one is going to be able to go anywhere but the game tomorrow, so that's going to be a plus too.
Perfect.
This morning we came in, obviously there's a lot of people at breakfast. It's like at one time it just opened up, so everybody's coming in at one time. But the lines were long. But when we got to like where they were actually serving the food, we were able to see our RAs from Boland serving us. And I actually told them, I was like, man, I really appreciate it. Like, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be eating right now. We're all starving, so it was good seeing them serving food.
Came out at like 10:15. It was still snowing. I was going to Commons to get food, and this entire I could barely get through. So after I ate, I found a shovel, and I just started from the Commons door, and I'm trying to get to New Hall, just so other people don't have to walk through the snow or the ice, which is kind of dangerous. I was cold at first, but the body heat, it just started picking up, so I'm fine, really.
Oh, it's windy out here.
We're outside. We're in the thick of Nemo. We're outside New Dorm right now. We got 26 inches of snow. 36 inches. 26. 50 inches of snow. 50 inches of snow. If you look this way, you can see this is the New Hall Duloc lot. Just copious amounts of snow have fallen. No one's going anywhere anytime soon. No. Stay inside, folks. Yeah, stay inside. Don't go out. It's icy. But it's a lot of fun.